Here are a few tips and tricks. First, let's do the X stitch. Insert your hook. But instead of yarn over, we will do yarn under. This will make your amigurumi project look a lot nicer. This is the stitch I usually always use, even if I say yarn over. Now let's do the slip stitch. Insert your hook. Pull up a loop. Then pull it through the second loop also. On the back side of your project, if you changed colors, you should tie the tails together to secure them in place. Then cut off the excess. Now let's go ahead and secure the tail from the magic ring. Pull it tight first. Then using a big eye tapestry needle, sew the tail through a couple of stitches. Just a couple more tips. You'll hear, or read, tie off or fasten off. There are a couple ways of doing this. Use the one that is better for your project. The first one is just a slip stitch into the next stitch. Then cut the yarn and pull it through. Make sure to pull it tight to secure the knot. The second method is to make a chain. Cut the yarn and pull it through. Then pull it tight to secure the knot. I hope this tutorial has been helpful.